another video. So today, this video is going to be quite different. So basically, in this video, I'm going to be surrounding trading servers, so I'm giving you a brainrot. Mind you, I might ask people for trading, so I just have to let them trade. So I know for a fact this video is going to last me long. Make sure to like and subscribe. And alright, let's go. So we're going to be using pro servers, just because like that's where you find like people that might give you something. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna get free stuff though. I guess if somebody sends me a trade, I could just like try to get them to give me without talking. So it's looking like this is gonna be pretty difficult. But alright. Challenge already began. I'm not gonna complain here. Gonna be here for a while, and if it gets to a point where I have to go oh, bro, where was this meow when I was doing the video yesterday? Where was this meow when I was doing the video yesterday? Where was this meow when I was doing the video yesterday? Bro, where was it? Oh my gosh, bro. See, bro. Now, I could have found this within like 20 seconds of yesterday, but this game made me waste 7 whole minutes of my life. I'm probably just gonna I don't know. I'll probably add a part 2 to the video. And our last video hit like 120 something views. That's probably like the highest one of my videos got, not my shorts. So thank you guys so much. Y'all are goated. That's so much. This is bad, bro. How am I gonna Okay, so yesterday I had trouble finding an OG. I found one in a normal server, gang. Serious? Oh, bro. Kinda crazy, but look. This is the second server and second OG we've saw to bro, I can't even see it. I guess I have no aura, bro. This is the second OG that we've saw today. Like, bro, 2 in a row. This is crazy. Alright, next server. No, that's around 545 bill. It was called Sad C4. It was called Sad C4. Sad C. It was called Sad C4. Now I gotta join it. I actually gotta join it. I'll cut back to y'all when I join it. Alright guys, I got in. This server has 644 billion money making out of the entire server right now. So there has to be some crazy. Right. It's either it says 400. Alright, come on now. We already got a trade on the. Oh, we're loading in, bro. Wait, fair trade. Give it to me. Give it to me. No. I got it back. Like, I need to. That would be a record. Alright, we always want to join the lowest servers because, like, the people who don't have good stuff, they're probably, like, more generous than the rich people, so. Okay. Next is... This is a ghost town. Dang. 75 billion? Signature. Okay. Alright, guys. Next server. By the way, this video 12 minutes long. Bro, I feel like this is gonna be the hardest challenge I'm doing. That OG one was probably a breeze compared to whatever this is. Yo, what the heck was that? Yo, what the heck was that? Yo, what the heck was that? What was that like? Need to check out this server. No! I gotta trade last second, man. I gotta trade last second. Alright, guys. 143 bill, that's decent, that's decent. It's like something like normal people would be in. Like a server that normal people. And I'm probably... Alright, let's step it up a notch. Well, wait, how does that saying go? Like, let's pick it up a notch or let's step it up a notch? Yeah, however it goes. Let's do that and start going like slowly up so that way we can find better servers. Hopefully they'll get... What are we doing? Alright, whatever. Honestly, I think in conclusion, I'll say that still a brainrot. The community is not as friendly as you think. Not a lot of people are willing to give free stuff unless you know them. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.